If you're looking to make your outdoor space feel a little bit more cozy at night without having to deal with real candles, these are actually really nice. They're solar-powered flameless candles, so there's no wiring or batteries to mess with. You can stake them into the ground or just set them flat on a table or step. The flame effect is actually really pretty. It uses dual LEDs, so it gives that soft flicker that looks more like a real candle. It's more of a warm glow than a super bright light, so it works better for ambiance instead of lighting up a whole space. They charge during the day with the solar panel and then automatically turn on at night and off in the morning. Battery life will fully depend on how much sun they get, but they're designed to last through the night. They are made for outdoor use, so they're sealed to handle rain and different weather, and they should hold up fine in colder temperatures. Just keep in mind that less sunlight can affect how long they run, but even on cloudy days, they'll still charge, just not quite as much as they would in full sun. And the stake is removable, so you can switch between ground use and flat surfaces really easily. So if you want something simple, low maintenance, and that will create a beautiful glow outside, this is a really easy option.